Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be trying out my new wig from Unice. They sent over their new V-part wig for me to try out. So here's what the box looks like, and inside they've sent some goodies. So I have a wig cap, some hair clips, a satin scarf, some lashes, and a headband, I guess, to help lay down my edges. So I got the Kinky Straight in 20 inches. This is the V-part wig. It's absolutely gorgeous. Inside there's about 4 combs at the front and then 2 at the sides, 1 in the middle and 1 at the nape. So what I love most about this Kinky Straight is the texture. It's extremely natural looking. It really reminds me of relaxed hair, like air dried relaxed hair. Like look at all that texture in the back. I just love it. So I co-washed it with Aussie Moist. You guys know I love and use that conditioner. And then I sealed it with some OGX argan oil, serum, and now I'm going to flat iron just to see what it looks like because I'm really curious to see how well it blends with my relaxed hair. Okay, so now I'm just sectioning off the hair to start the flat ironing process.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. way, take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah,
Hands down, you guys, this has probably been the easiest wig install ever. And I'm so in love with the texture and just how much it reminds me of my relaxed hair, like flat ironed relaxed hair. It's full of body and it's super duper soft, like it's crazy. What I love most though is that it blends effortlessly. Like, to be honest, I don't think I'll use heat next time. I think I can pull it off without using my flat iron. So yeah, it's been a pleasant surprise. And of course, I had to take a couple selfies because, you know. But yeah, it's pretty long. I think I'll leave it at this length though, just to enjoy it a little bit. And then maybe eventually I'll cut it. So we'll see. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.
good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.